Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1669P. 21,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Again, only 21,000 miles with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices and select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.